Hi, my name is Sandhya and I had dislocated my right shoulder in the month of April 2024. After consulting Dr. Parth Agrawal with all my reports, it was confirmed that I had a Bankart tear. Under his guidance, he suggested that a surgery can be planned for this particular Bankart repair, and we went ahead with his decision. We had never heard of this surgery before, nor had we heard about the post rehab or what are the consequences of such a surgery. However, the surgery went smooth and the post rehab physiotherapy was also really very good. It has been 3 months now, and with regular follow up, medicines, physiotherapy, and Dr. Parth's guidance, I have nearly gained complete range of movement in my right hand. Thank you, Dr. Parth Agrawal and team, for your guidance and treatment.